Hello guys, today we are going to do the power of 3. So if you have seen my previous video of power of 4, then you will be able to solve this problem easily. That's very similar to that of the power of 4. That's nothing to do much difference in these two problem. Like in my previous problem it was power of 4 and this was 4 to the power x. Okay, we have to check n is equal to 4 to the power x. Now here it's power of 3 and we have to check it like n is equal to 3 to the power x. Okay, so if you have not checked out that video, please do check it out. Now in this video also I'm going to explain this. Okay, now if you have some number, okay, one number n will be given. Okay, it can be any number like a 27. Okay, so it's a power of 3. Okay, like you can just see it like 3 to the power 3 27, yeah, 3 to the power 3. So 3 to the power 3 will give 27, and if it's a 0 then we'll put it as false, and if it's a 9, okay, that's a 3 to the power 2. So we can see like it's a power of 3, so it's a boolean value, true and false will be returned in all the values. Okay, so yeah, we should proceed with the so every problem. Okay, now you can see it like for every time we are putting some different value to this x variable. Okay, from 0 to some limit value will put. Okay, and that limit value will depend on the test cases, whatever it's given. Okay, so first of all we'll run a loop. Is equal to 0 till you give it's like some number 25. Okay, and x should be plus plus, and this if my n is equal to, here you can give it you and use like a math function for the power. Okay, and it's 3 to the power x. Okay, 3 to the power x. If this condition is satisfied, okay, then it's a power of 3. Okay, and we'll return true. Okay, and we'll return true. And if this see, if my number will be a power of 3, so some value will be returned from here itself. The control of the program will not going to reach below this. Okay, so if it's reaching means it's not a power of 3, and we're gonna return false. Okay, so I think it should run correctly. Okay, this x is variable we have taken. Okay, yeah, should check with all the public and private test cases. Yeah, it has run successfully, but this is not the optimal way of solving a problem, because we are running the loop from 0 to 25. Okay, for a single value we are like running more than the required times. Okay, so we will try to optimize the solution. So now second approach we can think it of like since it's a power of 3, so it will be divisible by 3 in a multiple times. Okay, so first we are checking like we'll check for the corner cases. So if my n is equal to like 0, okay, if my n will be equal to 0, then we are gonna return false. Okay, and then we are gonna return false. Okay, and if my n is equal to 1, then return true. Okay, and while we are putting like to check for multiple of 3, like if my n mod 3 is equal to 0, okay, then only it will proceed over here, and n will be is equal to n divided by 3, and will divide, and then it will go for next multiple of 3, and then it will go for next multiple of 3 at the end. Like for example, like with the example I will explain, like we should take n is equal to 9. Okay, n is equal to 9 if we are taking. So first of all, 9 is going to come here. 9 mod 3, that will give at 0. Okay, it's completely divisible by 3, so it will come over here. So n, now it will become like 3 3 3 2s are 3 3s are 9. Yeah, 3 it will become. Yeah, it will become 3. Yeah, 3 3s are 9, and again it will go above. Okay, while it will check for the condition 3 mod 3, again it's equal to 0, and then again the control will come down, and then again now the next value of n will become 1. Okay, next value of n will become 1, and then again it will check for the condition, and now the third time this condition will be false, and my control will come down, and it will return like, if n is equal to 1, then it will return true. Okay, so if my at the end my n is equal to 1, then it should return true. Okay, from here only boolean value, see, boolean we have to return, and the boolean value it's going to return true. Okay, now assume some number as 8. Okay, okay, now assume some number as 8. Okay, instead of 3, assume some number as 8. Okay, now 8 is coming over here, it's checking for the condition. Okay, now 8 mod 3 is not equal to 0. Okay, so now my control will not go inside this while loop, and will automatically come to this return statement, and 8 is equal to 1, this will return false. Okay, so a false value will be returned, and we can see like n is not a power of 3, so it's returning false, and that's correct. Okay, so we should run and see the, okay, yeah, yeah, okay, and for the compilation, okay, and it's done. Yeah, it's done, it's done, and you can see it over here, like it's of more time taking, and it's taking a less time. Okay, so yeah, this was all about the leetCode problem number 326, power of 3. Hope you are getting it, and if you have any other ideas, any logic much simpler than this to solve the problem, please do comment it out, and we'll try to see the approach. Okay, thank you.